Hello and welcome everyone to the last and final trading day of the year. So, yeah, interesting day today because this is the final and last trading day, and I have managed to take one trade already. I will show you just now. Where are you, silver? So, this is the trade I took. Saw that the price had gone past the supply zone. So that is when I opened a short trade, and you can see that we have closed this one in the green already. So let's see how the last trading day of the year goes for us. We have Ethereum. Let's check Bitcoin, trying to pump a little bit. NASDAQ, we're waiting, 2 minutes remaining till market open. It will open with a gap towards the downside. Tesla also red in the pre-market, 120.18, almost $1.50 down. Let's put up our scoreboard. So yeah, let's see. The market will open with a gap towards the downside. So I am hoping that if we look over here, let me just scroll a bit. If I look at this area, this is sort of a demand zone. Yeah, this area is a demand zone. So there is a chance, if we see market open around here, that we might try to go long, or we might go long short, both things. And the other demand zone is over here. So yeah, you will see, because RSI on the minute chart is already 35.37. So if market opens with a gap towards the downside, then this RSI will drop a lot. So that might give us, and we are seeing that silver is reaching the demand zone, so we can try and open a long position here, just like that. Try to target these moving averages that are available, and let's see how this trade goes. Again, Tesla falling below $120 in the pre-market. So now almost 1 minute remaining till market open, and we will see. We'll try to catch the action with the long if it reaches somewhere here. So let's see how is silver doing. Yeah, we are seeing some good bounce from this demand zone here, trying to target the moving averages, not trying to be very aggressive, but yeah, let's see. But good move from here. We pump till here and then dump again. So yeah, good move on the market for silver. Bitcoin 16467. This line you see over here, this was a bear flag channel, and we are seeing a drop from this bear flag channel. So quite the chance that we might see 16200 or 15500 very soon. So yeah, will be interesting to see, and market is about to open in a few moments. Then we will see what we have to do. Okay. So now we are seeing that the market has opened in the demand zone, so we can try and open a long here. Try to target somewhere around here, and let's keep stop loss somewhere here, because you can see that the minute RSI has gone to 9.86. So yeah, very aggressive, open towards the downside, struggling. Market is struggling. Yesterday was a good push upwards, now rejecting from almost 10975. Let's see if we are able to test this area again or not. Or we can try to do both things. We can do short also from here towards this demand zone over here. That is a possibility also. And how is our silver doing? Silver is doing all right. Hoping for a pump in silver soon. So yeah, market is undecisive right now. Very indecisive. But let's see if price tries to go down a lot, then yeah, we might try to open a short here. Yeah, looks like market is under pressure. Because the next demand zone is somewhere here, so let's try and do that. Let's try and get a short position in also. Somewhere around here during this demand zone. And we put stop loss something like this. So what will happen is one trade I will either go, if this reaches take profit, then yeah, either way we'll try to make money. So let's see. Market open is very decisive. And let's go back to our trade on silver. Let's go back to our trade on silver. Yes, trying to reach the take profit area. Let's see, price is trying to recover from this demand zone that we have. And the RSI on the minute chart went down to 7.8. So yeah, very strong downward pressure. What is Bitcoin doing? Nothing much. Silver, okay, almost there. We almost hit the target. Just a little bit remaining. Let's see if we are able to hit this target or not. Price trying to pump from here now. So let's see what happens. Tesla showing some good moves, trying to test the supply zone available here. Maximum is around 123.5. Oh, silver almost went till here and then got rejected. So let's wait another few minutes. S&P also showing very similar action. Okay. Now price is trying to get back inside this channel. Silver again trying to reach the moving averages, and that is what we are looking for. Tesla pumping very hard, RSI at 65. It is reaching this supply zone, so maybe around here 123.5, maybe somewhere around here can be a good area to short, because we have closed whatever gap was there at market open. So the gap has been closed. Silver again showing some moves but not able to reach the moving average is what we are waiting for. 122. SPX also trying to pump. Bitcoin showing some moves, 16,484. But yes, today is the last trading day of the year. Let's see what we have in store for next year. 123. Okay, we are reaching somewhere around that number. Let's put up a short here. 123. Yeah, somewhere around here. If it opens, then we might want to target somewhere in here with stop loss around here. And then let's see what happens. NASDAQ rejecting, S&P rejecting, Bitcoin also rejecting. Silver also coming back down to the demand zone. So looks like we might want to adjust the take profit a little bit, because this is the area we can see. Try to touch, but let's wait and watch first. Okay, 122.7. Generally Friday's market tries to take the profit, so not much upward move we can expect. Silver showing some action again, trying to reach down into the demand zone. But yeah, for NASDAQ, not much action happening, stuck in this range. Let's see if we are able to escape towards any side, then we'll see. And sorry about that. Okay, again we are seeing that price is trying to bounce a little bit. Okay, now our trade is open from it went up till 123.71, and that is where our short got opened. The question is, will we reach the take profit area, or the market will continue to push forward and upward, maybe try to go around $127 mark. Again silver trying to reach into the demand zone. Maybe something of this sort can happen. We might come down, make lower lows where RSI might give us some bullish divergence and try to pump from here. So we have to keep an eye on that. If that is happening, then maybe we want to open another long position. If I scroll to the left, the next area of interest can be somewhere around here, 23.7 roughly. For now, let's just see what is happening. Okay, Bitcoin is testing the moving averages. RSI is not that high, still only how much? 60 RSI. Silver, we are waiting for silver to show us some nice moves towards the upside. NASDAQ stuck again, not happening much. Tesla 123.3. Silver again, very small moves here. The key thing is to keep above this area. This is the demand zone. The recent demand zone is here, so it's better if price keeps above this. If it drops too much, then we might have to find another demand zone. But for now we are okay. Some rejection again, 123.5 for Tesla. That is the place where we have opened our short. Silver showing some downward pressure. Let's zoom in a bit more. Sorry about that. Now it is trying to make that lower low and then trying to give some bullish divergence, so we have to be ready for another long position in case we see a big drop in price. The key thing is to hold this demand zone and then try to bounce from here. Okay, now we are seeing some downward pressure again on NASDAQ. What about Tesla? Not much. Bitcoin also rejecting from the moving average. Yes, trying to push. The price is trying to push from here. So now maybe we want to adjust this take profit a little bit, maybe bring it around here. So it is getting rejected from this channel. Let's see if we continue downwards or not. Yeah, seeing some rejection on Tesla. Again, we are trying to go into the demand zone, so might be better. So this area is acting as support. What is this? 810 roughly. Market is trying to pump from here. Tesla again trying to pump. 123.9 is the high of the day. Again struggling. Silver is struggling. Tesla trying to stay above 123. Bitcoin showing some rejection of the 50 moving average in green, that is. Okay, we are seeing downward pressure again on silver. Another bottom here, small double bottom here, trying to hold 23.72. NASDAQ is stuck in the middle. Tesla 123. Price is bouncing from here. Okay, we are seeing some pump happen again. Okay, now we are seeing some movement happening on silver, trying to pump from the demand zone again. Tesla is showing some pump, 123.9. Interesting. Yeah, not able to cross the demand zone. So Tesla has gone above 124, showing strong moves. Tesla is showing a strong move. Again rejecting. Let's take a look on silver again, testing this area. S&P and NASDAQ stuck in the range. Okay, now we are seeing strong downward pressure on silver. Sorry. Yeah, this is a strong zone, so maybe we can open. Not a strong zone, but previous demand zone is somewhere around here. We can try and open along here. Yeah. Target this much, this is fine. Stop loss somewhere around here. And then we will see how it goes. Okay, NASDAQ is dropping again. Not able to hold the 850 mark. So strong downward pressure on the silver trade. And same with NASDAQ, we are trying to test this area. Pushing down, strong downward action. So this trade has closed in the red. Breaking the 10,800 mark. So let's update our scoreboard. 211. Yeah, big rejection happening on the S&P. Let's try and open, because we are trying to reach this demand zone, but the pressure, downward pressure is a lot. So there is a chance to open if we see further downward action, maybe around here somewhere. Try to open along at 3,800 roughly. Big drop on Bitcoin. Look at this crazy drop. Let's try and get some action out of this. Yeah, take profit somewhere around here. Risk to reward, something of this sort. So this was our long trade, which has closed in the red. How is Tesla doing? Tesla is doing all right. S&P, yeah, 3,800 might be a good area to open along. So let's see if we are able to pump from here or not. Three, 1, 2. Okay, Bitcoin giving us some good action. S&P trying to stay above 3,800. Silver, we are still hoping that we might see some pump here. This is a demand zone. You can see this is a demand zone. Okay, we have fallen below this. Worth another try, of course. Give me that long position. Yes, please target this area. Correct. Risk to reward, let me adjust that. Yeah, so let's go back on our short. Yes, short is still in the green, and Tesla's short is also in the green. Might be a bit aggressive the take profit, but let's see. S&P under pressure. Our long on Bitcoin is there also. Okay, let's see if we are able to get this one in the green. So on the NASDAQ we tried to open long short both things. So the long did not hold, it closed in the red. Now our short is open and it is in the green right now. Bitcoin trying to pull up. Silver also trying to pull up, so this is good for us. Market trying to pump from 780. But yeah, generally Fridays are take profit days, so we can see some selling pressure coming into the market. And we can see that the market opened with big gap towards the downside. That's why opened one long, that there might be a chance that we might try to close this gap, move towards the moving averages. But market dropped, and we opened a short also in the event that market tries to target this demand zone here. For Tesla, okay, our short is still open from 123.5. Silver is trying to show some moves from this demand zone that was available. If you look on the left side, this area. Bitcoin also gave a nice wick which we tried to catch. We have opened a long. So yeah, last trading day of the year. Interesting. We have reached the end of the year. After all that has happened, the whole bear market, everything, we are at the end of the year now. Hopefully next year will bring something better for us. Market trying to pump from 780. Just took out the stop loss. Should have put the stop loss a little bit lower, maybe somewhere here, but it's fine. Tesla is trying to stay above the 121.5 area. Let's take a look at our silver. Okay, we are seeing some nice moves. We just need that little bit extra pump so that it might hit our take profit area. And Bitcoin is stuck after giving this wick. It is stuck over here, not moving much. S&P trying to pump also. Trying to find support around 3807. Trying to stay above 3800 basically. Silver waiting for a small pump so that we can reach our take profit. Yeah, you can see that not much is happening for Bitcoin, not much change. Again rejecting from this point. This is 23.7 roughly. So silver is rejecting from 23.7. Again seeing some small rejection here. Tesla dropping a little bit more. Nothing much happening on Bitcoin. Again dropping, silver is dropping again. Tesla also a little bit under pressure, but it can find support from the moving averages and try to bounce again. So we have to keep an eye on that. Testing 10,800 again, NASDAQ. So yeah, overall you can see how aggressive the market open was. There was a big gap and it opened with a gap towards the downside, and now market trying to hold 10,800. But of course you can see that it is struggling currently. Again showing some pump. Silver showing some action. Bitcoin is stuck. So maybe something of this sort can happen. We might come here again and then try to reject from here. That is possible. So we have to keep an eye on that. Okay, Bitcoin showing very small moves. Yeah, so you can see that the pump is starting to happen. The question is, will we reject or not? What about silver? Not much. Not much move. And as you know, today is the last trading day of the year. Again, we are seeing pressure develop on silver. See, that's what I was talking about. It is trying to bounce from the moving averages. Let's see if we reach this area again and try to reject from here or not. Silver trying to find some support. Bitcoin trying to push forward. Yeah, same with S&P trying to pump from here. Silver is struggling again. NASDAQ pumping back up towards the 850 mark. Tesla trying to regain 123 again. Bitcoin regaining 16400 level. Silver is still under pressure. Market pumping again. So we can see something of this sort might be happening. Here is a possibility that this might be happening. So let's keep this here. But yeah, you can see it is stuck in a very small range. And let's see what is happening with Tesla also. Yeah, it looks like trying to bounce from the moving averages. So question is, where will it get rejected next? Rejection again for silver. But overall, you guys can see that the market is opening with a gap towards the downside, and the market is under pressure today and the last trading day of the year. So let's see what happens next year. Hopefully next year might be better for us. So hopefully you guys enjoy your new year, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.